Again, mommy, this is mommy, just model. So, massage the neck, massage the shoulder, and then up, down. This is the breast area. Go side, 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 side. And up and down. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Neck, neck, neck. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Up and down. Side, side, side. Do not tickle her. Do not make her feel uncomfortable, okay? So this is to help mommy to feel more comfortable, because when she is relaxed, she will produce more milk. Okay, up and down, side, side, side. Now this massage technique is called chin chai massage. Just chin chai, do as long as mommy feel good lah. Okay, just feel good, make her feel good, and spend 5 minutes to do it. Because if your husband is like my husband, after 30 seconds, say tired already. 5 minutes, time yourself. Alright, you can change position. After 5 minutes, you show your position, you sit this way. And of course, mommy has a breast. Okay? So, never touch the nipple, because touching the nipple is very uncomfortable. So, you again from here, you massage. And this massage technique is again called the chin chai technique. You go down, I call it the butterfly stroke also. You go down and up. So this is the breast, you go up like that. Don't touch the nipple, go down and up. It's a good idea to put massage oil. I use butt massage oil or any massage oil that you want. Rub and then put it all over the breast. And then go down and up. 1, down and up. 2, down and up. 3, down and up. 4, down and up. 5. Okay? Massage. And then go to this breast. Downwards. Don't touch the nipple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down and up. Okay, this is called one set. Down and up, the butterfly stroke, down and up 5 times. Here 10 times, here 10 times. It's called one set. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Okay, neck. Feel good, huh? Yes, huh? And try again. Second set. Down and up, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 sets. Do 5 sets. After doing 5 sets, alright, then mommy can handle her own breast by massaging around here. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Take this on. So when mommy massage her own breast, massage. So here, right? Daddy done his job already. Now daddy is to prepare to pack milk if it comes out. If no milk comes out, never mind. The whole idea is just for stimulation. So she massage around here and then she press, squeeze. If milk comes out, you collect. If no milk comes out, no need to collect. Okay? Massage around here. Massage, don't touch the nipple. Massage here, around here. Squeeze, and see what milk comes out. Now, never pull your nipple. Never do this. Always around the nipple. Push in a little bit. Squeeze. Push in. Squeeze. Push in. Squeeze. You see my finger, my thumb never goes this way one. It doesn't go this way. Because if you go this way, you might tear your skin. So it's always push, squeeze. Push, squeeze. Like that. And if milk starts coming out, you will use something like this. This is a syringe. Okay? If you see milk coming out, then daddy or somebody else, or you can do it yourself. You see milk coming out, you say, oh, milk coming out. You just collect. You press, milk comes out, you collect. So you have to learn how to do this. Okay? Now as you are collecting, you will notice that milk is here, but here empty. So you just squeeze, go back all the way up, slowly up, milk here. Then you collect again. Collect. Okay? Usually, you do this, the massage and then the breast massage will take about 5 to 7 minutes only. After doing that, your collection, you spend about 10 minutes per breast. Okay, that means you try 10 minutes here, 10 minutes here. After that, stop. That's it. So you start doing it from week 37 onwards. Week 37.